Hi guys, with today's video I wanted to address one issue that I have been facing with Amazon India. So on 29th September 2020, I placed an order of DJI Osmo Pocket Camera worth rupees 26,299 from Amazon India. I got this product on 30th September, the very next day, around 5:15 p.m. uh, I unboxed the box like after 15 to 20 minutes, and to my surprise I found the whole box to be empty. I just found two bills in an A4 size sheet and one used cardboard box which has a label addressed to the seller, JJ Mehta and Sons. It looks like it was a part of a used cardboard box which was added in this box to just compensate for weight. So let me show you what I got in the box. So I opened the box like this, and the very first thing that I found was these two A4 sized sheets, and you can see that the total bill was 26,329, and I also added a gift wrap for this particular product because it was a gift, and they also charged me around 30 rupees for that. However, the box came in a regular fashion box, and there was no kind of gift wrapping for this. Then upon unboxing this, I found this particular box and I think this particular box was used to put the product inside so that it could offer some protection, but this was this was what I found inside the box. So you can also see that it was shipped to JJ Mehta and Sons, who in fact is the dealer, and it was sent from someone from Hyderabad, and that's it. And this is what I got for a product for which I paid 26,329. Now, a good thing to note over here is that this particular box weighs 0.36 kilograms, but with all the products inside, it just weighs around 151 grams. So I have this weighing scale with me, and you can see that it is pointing to 0. And when I add this whole box over here, I see a total weight of 155 grams only. So I think two few things might have happened over here. Either someone at the Amazon facility did not add my product inside the box, or someone in midway might have tampered with the box and taken out the product. Because if you can see, this is one tape which usually does not exist on Amazon products, and this was added over here, so which means that someone might have tampered with the product. Now, I have been running in circles behind the Amazon India team. I have contacted the customer care team, I have contacted the social media team, and no one is ready to help me. And they have started questioning my integrity by saying that the package was delivered intact, and they can't offer me a refund. So let me show you my Amazon history, and I will take you past few couple of my orders to show my integrity and the kind of orders that I've placed on Amazon. So as you can see that this is the DJI Osmo that I ordered, and I ordered this by paying with my card, and it came around 26,329. Now let me take you back to 2019. I ordered a game worth 4,898 rupees. I ordered a Nintendo Switch Lite worth 17,799, and one more game. Uh, taking back, taking you back to 2020. I placed an order worth 8,990 for a Bose sound like micro speakers. Then I use it frequently for grocery shopping, for my pets' toys, etc. Then I used it to place an order for my new Apple iPad Pro 11 inches 128 gigabytes. This is the 2020 edition, which costed me 71,900 rupees. I again used Amazon to place an order for Apple AirPods Pro, which costed me 24,990 rupees. Then I used this to place an order for my phone that I use, that is Apple iPhone 11 Pro 256 gigabytes, which costed me around 1,13,900 rupees. Then I used it again to buy Apple Watch Series 5, which costed me 43,900 rupees. And I used it to place an order for Sony WH-1000 XM3 wireless noise cancelling headphones, again 30,000 rupees. And in 2018 I used it again to place an order for Apple Watch Series 4, and that costed me around 34,500 rupees. So by telling you all these orders, I don't intend to brag, but I also want to tell people that firstly, I'm not trying to scam Amazon, and secondly, I have ordered products worth 5 to 6 times more than the product I am running behind Amazon for. So I really don't understand on what basis Amazon is denying my claims that I didn't get my product, and on basis of what factor have they done their investigation. Because when I try to contact the customer care team, they tell me to go and contact the social media team, whereas on the other hand the social media team is only sending me automated replies, and it's like talking to a wall. Like whatever I do, they never reply me with an appropriate solution, and they always tell me that my claim has been denied because they checked with their delivery team and the product was intact. So my question to Amazon is that how have you done your investigation? Was there any kind of transparency between me as a customer and you as the investigator? And the third point is that how can you question my integrity? Like, you have all the records at your disposal, and how dare you question my integrity? Like, you can just go ahead and check my account. I have given you so much business, I have ordered so many products from your site. Then why the hell would I like try to scam you for a 26,000 product? Like, I totally don't get that point. To take this further, I have also raised a complaint in the consumer forum, and if I don't get a reply soon, I intend to take this matter to Delhi police so that they can help me and guide me and make this thing move a bit more fast. Because if I leave it to Amazon, they have no intentions of making this right, and they have no intentions of doing right by me. So I kind of really question the main thing that people say about Amazon, that they are very customer centric, they are very customer obsessed. But looking at the way they are treating me as a loyal and a good customer, I really don't understand, is that even true for Amazon? So hoping for best, hoping that someone from Amazon would help me out with this. And thanks for watching. Bye.